first things first, remove your bike cluster. For Gsxrs, all you have to do is take an Allen key. There's one screw at the end of the cluster here. Unscrew that, and then they're held in by rubber tabs. You just pull till it pops right off. Same thing to the other side. Popped it out. These are what the old ones look like, and these are the new LED lights. I'm actually gonna pop it in and test it out first. Yep, definitely turns on. Nice. See what it looks like inside the bike. Already 10 times better. That's a dope thumbnail. Alright, so what I found out was your two high beams are gonna be in one box. This one and this one are gonna be in one. And then you have your main middle LED, which I didn't think it even came with it. You got the left one, the right LED, middle LED right there. This is your middle one. And then you have a tiny LED light right above this one. I didn't even realize that was there. Kind of stuck, so I'm gonna see if I can muscle it out. I was about to order a different light because I didn't think it came in the box. Right in there, that's the compartment that I popped off, this one. And then all the way back in there, right in the middle, is that little LED. I have to find the right tool to get it out. So this is the middle bulb right here. This rubber is soft enough that if you really just apply pressure with a screwdriver or something around the edges, when it's in like this, you're just trying to pry it out. See if the bulb works. There you go. There's that little middle light. LED bulb is in. Let's test it out again. A lot nicer. All right, now the middle light is an H11 bulb. If you're gonna change it, instead of getting LEDs, you just get that regular halogen bulbs from AutoZone or wherever. This is the middle bulb right here, screwed right in. So your right one, your left one back there, and then your middle one goes right here. That's in. I just gotta put the clip in. So it's in. See if it works. Boom, that's your new light. It looks 10 times better than before. Makes the bike look a lot newer. That is the main light. These are your high beams. That looks sick. I really like the way that looks a lot, and hopefully it's a lot easier to see what's going on. And again, I bought this kit. I'll tell you where to put your cluster back in. Make sure you line up the little grommets back here. Don't forget to put your screw back on. It holds down your cluster. If you like this video, found it useful, please like, subscribe. I'm gonna put a link in the description for where I got the lights. Comes with 2 boxes with everything you need, and it was really cheap. Hopefully these last pretty long. I'll give you